Welcome back to Cupcake Girl and Stanley the Man. We're going to be doing something awesome. As you hear this grossness, it's a bag. We made it squishy. We just filled up a bag with water. Let's cut open and see what's inside. Ooh la la, it's water. Let's just squish it around for a while. Guys, this sounds super gross. Now Stan's going to play with it.
Wait, I just found a little leak. It's opened!
Stan!
I found a little leak right here. Is that closed? Then how did a little leak get out? Okay, my turn.
Let me just squish it. Sorry guys for this interruption. I think there's a leak. Let's have Stan perform a little dance. Okay, that's good. Now Stan will play with it. Like just squish it around or something. Not hard.
Barrel.
Okay, now Stan will hold the camera and I will do it. Hold the camera. Don't stand. Okay, here we go. Oh, guys, did you hear that?
Go. Stop. Please.
Ha 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 ha. Nah or nah. I swear there is a leak somewhere. Let me just.
Here's Mimi.
All around
Ta-
I see familiar faces
Says.
in many places. Kombucha. All around I see oh my god, that feels good.
Mimi, stop! In the middle of the video.
It looks awesome.
Try with me. You hold the camera.
Put on your face. Just leave it there like that. And try to open your eyes.
Wow, it looks cool. Why are there so many colors?
Now let's see the camera seeing it. All around I see familiar faces. Whoa. Let's see what the camera sees.
Darkness. Darkness.
Let's put it. Okay, here we go.
Oh,
The
dark.
camera sees weirdness. It's all dark. What? You guys, wait a sec. You see all this clearly? Now look at that. Blank! It's soap! All around I see familiar faces. Okay, now record.
Record.
Oh yeah. Don't hold it like this. No. Like this.
Okay. Like this.
Yes. Now scoot back.
Wow.
Scoot back. How far? I'll tell you when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Okay, now I shall give it a back massage. Now flip. Now explosions. Now it's gonna explode, guys. All around. Okay, let's see this.
Nothing.
Let's do it again, but higher. Let's do it higher. All around I see familiar faces.
Wow.
Okay, is it too late now to say water?
Do you think I should stop recording it now?
Yes. Goodbye, guys.